Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. This video, I'd like to show you using determinants to solve systems of linear equations. Let's try this question. The equation is 2x equals to 3y plus 18. This is the first one. The second one is y equals 5 minus 3x. So for x and y. Using determinants to solving x, y, we using formula. The formula is this one. So the formula I write here. The formula is the determinants. Let's say when you're looking for, say, x equals, this is the determinant for x. This is determinant. Y equals determinant y and determinant. Well, these three, determinant x, determinant y, determinant. These three determinants, we're looking for, we calculate the three determinants and then we can solve this equation. So the determinants is, for example, the d, what the d state, we need to change this equation. This equation is not standard. The standard equation should be go this way. So we need to change this one from 1 to the x first, which is 2x. The y second, move 3y to the left side, minus 3y, and equal 18, right? We need to put the x and the y and the constant. The second one, we put the x first. We need to move x to the left side. Negative becomes positive. 3x plus y equal 5. You write it this way. Once you write it this way, so we have the determinant x, or the determinant x is d equals, the determinant here, for the coefficient of x, 3, the coefficient of y, which is carry the sign, which is negative 3, this is a 1, positive 1, right? This is determinant. So only the x coefficient and the y coefficient. And determinant x is if you're looking for determinant x, you need replace the x coefficient with constant. So here is 18 and 5. You're looking for the determinant of x, you need to replace the coefficient of x in the first column by constant 18 and 5. And the y, the coefficient stay unchanged. And determine the y is, because you're looking for determine the y, the coefficient y will replace with constant. So this one here is 18 and 5. The x column doesn't change. So that means the determinant d for x and y are same. They are the coefficient of x, y. And if you're looking for x, the determinant x is with the constant at the x position, and the y stays same. and looking for determinant y, and the y column replaced with constant 18 and 5. The x column doesn't change. So now, next I show you how to calculate these three determinants. And the first one is determinant equal this one, 2, 3, negative 3, and 1. This one. This is a 2 by 2 order determinant. To calculate the value, we just go to, this is a multiply these two numbers, which is we call is principal diagonals, multiply these two. So which is, we write down 2 times 1, subtract, always subtract. And then this is secondary diagonal, this, multiply these two numbers, which is you write negative 3, multiply 3. Then we have 2 multiply 1 is 2. Negative 3 multiply 3 is negative 9, minus negative 9, you got 11, right? 11. And then you calculate the determinant x. We already write here is 18, 5, negative 3, and 1. The same job, first to calculate the principal diagonal, which is 18 multiply 1, which is 18 multiply 1, subtract the secondary diagonal, which is negative 3 multiply 5. We have 18. This is subtract this one, and subtract negative 15. Actually, add this one, we got the 33, right? 33. And calculate the determinant y equals 2, 3, and 18, 5. Here. Multiply the principal diagonal, we got 2 times 5, subtract secondary diagonal, which is 18 times 3. We have 10 minus 54, give us negative 44. And then the solution x equals, for the formula this one, equals determinant x divided determinant, which equals 33 divided 11, which is 3. And the y equal determinant y divided determinant, this one equal negative 44 divided 11 equal to negative 4. That's why you have x equals 3 and the y equals negative 4. This is the solution. If you want to double check your answer, you can plug into original equation. Check your answer. Check x equals 3, y equals negative 4. The original equation is go to the first one, the first equation with the 2x equals 3y plus 18. We have 2 times 3 equals 3 times negative 4 plus 18 to see if it is correct. Put question mark on the top. So you got 6 equals, this is negative 12 plus 18, which you got the 6 equals, this is a 6, right? Negative, positive, you got 6. That's why you're right. For the second equation, you have y equals 5 minus 3x. So you put y equal negative 4 equals, to see if it is equal to this one is 5 minus 3 times 3. So negative 4 equal to 5 minus 9 equal negative 4 equal negative 4, which is correct, right? Yeah. So this using determinant to solve system of linear equation. Also, this one they call Cramer's rule. Okay, this is presented by Wise Guy.